And now our fingertips will glide from the temples to above the ear, which is called the angel of the ear point, right here. Hold this point. Let your thumbs touch the top of the head. Take slow, deep belly breaths. When you hold the points, you need not do anything but just connect with them and breathe. That's the most powerful way of using the acupressure points. And by doing this, and even just holding with different amounts of light pressure, I'm now feeling pulsation in my thumbs and fingertips. That the blood is moving through, like in a very healing way, through her skull and through her brain. And now, from these points here, we're going to go around the ear and hold the points that are underneath the flap of the ear, triple warmer 17. And then your index finger can hold the points that are just below that. And you continue to hold the temples by bringing your chest closer to your partner's head. Take a deep breath as you hold these points. These points in here are called the heavenly appearance points. And they open up glandular balance and the lymphatic areas.